welcome to Just Cook Something. Today we're making a healthy flat cabbage vegetable soup. Let's get started. So we're going to start off with a few celery sticks, 1 medium onion, 4 garlic cloves, 2 carrots, and half of a flat cabbage. And we're going to be using a 4.3 quart Dutch oven. This is the perfect size for the soup. Then we can start by prepping our vegetables. So I'm just dicing my onions and celery. Just a rough chop should be good enough. Feel free to dice your carrots into whatever size you prefer. I'm just doing a quick chop and doing the same thing for my garlic. And then lastly, I'm going to cut my flat cabbage. So I'm just going to again do it into a rough chop. Doesn't have to be perfect because I like to blend all this anyways. Alright, next in our Dutch oven, we're going to set it to medium heat and we'll add a splash of olive oil, and then we can toss in the onions, celery, and carrots. From there, we're going to saute these for about 5 minutes. You just want to get them fragrant and soft. And after a few minutes, we want to toss in our garlic and just give that a mix for about 30 seconds or so. You don't want to burn the garlic. And once you saute that, you can put in your cabbage. So just carefully pour it into the Dutch oven. I like to do it in portions. So I do the first half, just mix it in a bit, and then I add in the remaining. And you just want to saute it for another few minutes. You'll see the cabbage start to wilt and soak up all the aromatics. Once the cabbage becomes soft like this, we can start adding in our flavors. So I'm adding in herbes de Provence. And if you don't have that, you can always use oregano, rosemary, or even thyme. I'm also going to add in 1 bay leaf. Pretty much anything you have in your cabinet that is earthy. It always goes well with the cabbage soup, so feel free to experiment at this point. The next thing I'm going to add is salt. Now I'm using Lawry seasoning salt. Now just add a little, don't add too much because we are going to add chicken broth. Now if you have homemade chicken broth, you can use that. But for this video, I'm just going to use store-bought chicken broth, so no salt added. It's 946 ml, which is just under a liter. So I'm just going to pour the whole thing in here. And then we're just going to mix everything together and then place the lid on top of the Dutch oven and just simmer it for around 40 minutes. While that is simmering, we can get our garnish ready. So I like to dice up some fresh jalapeno, and I like to also dice up some cilantro. This stuff goes a long way on any soup, but I just like to add these on there. Once the 40 minutes are up, it's pretty much done at this point. You could technically eat it as is because everything is nice and soft. But my kids won't eat this. So what I like to do is take out the bay leaf, get a immersion blender, and just blend it all up carefully. So this is the consistency that my kids can tell they're eating vegetables, so go with this if that helps. Feel free to top it off with your fresh jalapeños and cilantro. And if you don't have those on hand, you can always add in some hot sauce or maybe some shredded cheese. Anything to garnish will go well with this soup. It's a fairly easy soup and very forgiving. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.